Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to use the Immersive Reader in Canvas. This is a helpful tool if you want to hear text read out loud or see it in a different language. So let's get started. When you're on a Canvas page, look for the Immersive Reader button at the top of the page. It usually appears at the top right corner. Let's go and click on it. Once the Immersive Reader opens, you will see the text in a cleaner, easier to read format. If you want to hear the text read out loud, just click on the play button at the bottom of the screen, and it will read the entire screen out to you and highlight the words that it's reading. You can also adjust the reading speed and choose a male or female voice by clicking on the gear icon next to the play button. Here you can make the reader read as slow as a turtle or as fast as a bunny, or between a female voice or a male voice. Once you've made your change, you will click play and it will immediately adjust to that. To see the text in another language, click on the reading preference icon, which is this icon here that looks like a little book. Once you click on that icon, you will have the choice under the Translate section between all of these languages. You will choose the language you would like it translated to, and you have the opportunity of translating the entire document by clicking here, or you can just translate one word at a time. I'm going to go ahead and change the language to Spanish. And if I choose by word, when I click on a word I'm not too sure about, it translates it for you. You could either listen to the word in English or listen to the word in Spanish. Some words will provide images to help explain it further. You can also change how the text looks by clicking on the text preference button, which is this icon with a small a and an uppercase A. Here you can adjust the text size by making it larger or smaller. You could change the font, and you could change the color of the background through themes. And that is it. The Immersive Reader is a great tool to help you understand your assignments better, whether you want to listen instead of read or see the words in your languages. Once you are done using the Immersive Reader, you would click on the back arrow to go back. Now it's your turn. Give it a try.